Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your hacked Facebook account. It's pretty simple. On your search browser, you want to search for Facebook account hacked. Once you search for Facebook account hacked, the first option over here, hacked and fake account, click on it. Once you click on the link, this page will open up. From over here, scroll a bit down, and the first option where it says recover your account, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you try guided help. Click on get started. And it's going to take you to the help center. Now over here, click on the first option over here saying someone else gained access to my account. Once you click on it, you want to click on no, I can't log in, because if you're hacked, of course you can't log in. Then click on over here, no, I don't have access to the phone number or email on the account. If you have access to it, then you can click on yes, and through your email or phone number, Facebook will help you recover it. It's like the easy process. But if you don't have access to it, then it's a bit extra steps. You need to click on this link now. Once you click on that link, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here, you need to enter your mobile number, which was linked with your Facebook account. It doesn't matter if you don't have access to it, just make sure to enter that. And over here, if you used your email, then you can click on search by your email address instead. And enter your email address which was linked with your Facebook account. Once you do that, click on search, and basically as you guys can see, once I search for it, it's going to show you your Facebook account. And it's saying over here we can send you a login code, but if you don't have access to your email, you can click on try another way. But if you have access to your email, click on continue. It's going to send you like 5 or 6 codes. You can enter those codes and recover your account easily. But if you don't have access to it, click on try another way. And over here, as you guys can see, it says send code via Facebook notification, use my Google account, enter password to login. If you remember your password, you can click on it to do that. If you don't, you can use any of these methods. From over here, you can use any of the method, but if you don't find any method you can use, click on not you, and it's going to take you to this page again. Now you need to use your phone number. Alright, so these are the methods you guys can use to recover your account. So I hope you understand how you guys can recover your hacked Facebook account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.